Okay, so let's see what we discussed. I think we went over every option we had in Breeze and Jetstream, and we discussed the differences between them. Now we can discuss the front-end options that you have and Laravel, Sanctum, and Passport. So which front-end options do you have? Basically, you have, if you use inertia, you have Vue, React, or Svelte by default if you use inertia.js. Okay, you can use inertia. Here, it's the main website of inertia.js. You can use it by default with Laravel adapter, with React, Vue, and Svelte. Okay, and you can use inertia without the starter kits, but as I said, you will have to write the code by yourself for everything, for login, logout, for every component that they give you for free. And you can use, if you choose to use inertia without Jetstream, you can use it with Breeze, you can use it with Blade, but it won't be that much fun if you use it with Blade. It's not convenient like using Livewire with Blade, and Livewire is the second option if you choose to not use only Blade. Livewire is a major framework for Laravel, and the latest version, Livewire 3, they made it a first package. Okay, so if you go to Livewire Laravel, you see it sits on Laravel domain, and the maintainer of the package, besides Caleb, it's now also Taylor, who is the creator of Laravel, and the Laravel team is behind Livewire now. So my suggestion is, if you love JavaScript, if you love it very much, so you can use inertia. Use inertia if you really love it. I used inertia on multiple projects. It worked fantastic for me. It's much better to use it than to build API and build custom front-end application just for the sake of connecting to that API. And if you use inertia with that, you just you get the Laravel facilities for free. So you get the both benefits from API and from single page application and from full stack functionality. And if you don't like that much JavaScript, you can use Livewire, since it uses mostly Blade components and Blade functionality, and it has Alpine.js, which is a minimal JavaScript framework that is inspired by Vue.js, and you can use that. But Alpine is much smaller. You have a couple of directives and a couple of helpers there, but you can build everything you want for that, yeah, because I'm not gonna show you now, but people build amazing stuff with Alpine. Full visual editors built with Alpine, like DevDojo, Tails editor, and other editors that I saw are also built with Alpine. So that's not limited to a small or medium-sized projects. You can build very large-sized projects with Alpine, but that depends on your preference. As I said, if you love JavaScript and you really love JavaScript, then go with inertia. If not, then stick with Livewire. That's my suggestion.